There is a place on Earth where airplanes vanish without sending a single mayday. Ships disappear, leaving behind food still warm on the kitchen tables. No wreckage. No body. No final message. Just silence. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. But what if I told you that the most terrifying part of this mystery is not what we know? It's what we still cannot explain even today. Stay with me, because the deeper we go, the stranger and more impossible this story becomes. The Bermuda Triangle is a region between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. On the map, it looks simple, just 3 points, but in reality, it controls one of the highest disappearance zones in the world. Over 1,000 ships and aircraft have been lost here. Some vanished in perfect weather. Some disappeared within minutes of radioing that everything was fine. Others simply blinked out. But nothing is more chilling than what happened on December 5th, 1945. The mystery that started it all. 5 U.S. Navy planes, experienced pilots, top-of-the-line equipment. The mission was supposed to be simple, a routine training flight. But 1 hour in, something went horribly wrong. Pilot Charles Taylor sent a message that still haunts investigators. Something is wrong. The ocean doesn't look right. Moments later, greater than we can't tell where we are. Everything looks strange. Their compasses spun uncontrollably. Sunlight faded, even though it was still afternoon. Their last message: greater than. We are entering white water. We can't see anything. All 5 planes disappeared. A rescue plane was sent. It vanished, too, with 13 crew members. No wreckage. No bodies. Not a single trace. It was as if the triangle swallowed them whole. The ship that called for help then vanished in 1963. The SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a 524-foot-long ship, sent an urgent distress call. Then, silence. The Coast Guard searched for weeks. Only a life jacket was found. A ship that huge, with a full crew, had disappeared like dust. What kind of force does that? Waves? Storms? Human error? Or something far beyond our understanding? The strange pattern nobody can explain. Here's where the mystery gets disturbing. Nearly every disappearance shares 3 things. 1. Sudden compass failure. 2. Clear skies turning violent in seconds. 3. Zero wreckage. Recovered scientists can explain storms. They can explain navigation errors. But how do you explain a 1 million-pound cargo ship leaving no trace? A plane vanishing mid-air without a single piece of metal floating up? Identical compass failures across decades. Something is off. Very, very off. The theories, real possibilities, or pure fantasy? Let's break down the most popular theories and see which ones actually make sense. 1. Methane gas explosions. Some scientists say methane hydrates under the ocean can explode, reducing water density, making ships sink instantly. Sounds good. Except this theory cannot explain missing airplanes, compass failures, zero debris, so methane. Partially possible, but not enough. 2. Rogue waves, giant 100-foot waves that appear out of nowhere. Yes, rogue waves are real. Yes, they can destroy ships. But Flight 9, the rescue plane. Hundreds of aircraft over decades. Waves don't pull planes out of the sky. 3. Alien abduction. This one sounds crazy. Until you hear this. Unidentified radar anomalies. Pilots reporting strange lights, sudden atmospheric distortions, planes losing physical visibility. Is it aliens? No. Proof, but no proof against it either. 4. Magnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This can cause compass spinning direction loss. Navigation chaos. This is the most scientific explanation we have. But does magnetism erase wreckage? No. So the biggest question remains: where are the bodies? Where's the debris? Survivors who escaped something strange, not everyone vanished. A few survived, and their stories make everything even stranger. Pilot Bruce Gernon, he flew into the triangle in 1970. Suddenly, a circular cloud tunnel formed around his plane. Inside the tunnel, his instruments malfunctioned. He saw flashes of light with no source. When excited, had traveled 100 miles in less than 3 minutes. Impossible, but radar confirmed it. He said the triangle felt like greater than a place where the laws of physics break. Fishing crew incident. A fishing crew reported the ocean below them, suddenly glowing green, as if illuminated from beneath. Their radio died. Their engine stalled. Then, everything returned to normal. What was that? No scientists could give an answer. The lost city of Atlantis connection? Some believe the Bermuda Triangle sits above the remains of Atlantis, a highly advanced ancient civilization. Underwater scans near Bimini discovered massive stone structures, road-like formation, symmetrical blocks, too precise for nature if Atlantis had energy systems or ancient technology. Could it still be active? Far-fetched. Maybe. But the ocean hides more than we know. Why the mystery still exists, with modern satellites, radar, and GPS. Why can't we explain this place? Because many disappearances happened before help could arrive. Weather changes too fast. Ocean depth here reaches 27,000 feet. Most wreckage sinks beyond recovery, and some events simply defy logic. The Bermuda Triangle is not just dangerous, it is unpredictable. Ships still vanish, planes still go missing, and the ocean still keeps its secrets. Maybe the Bermuda Triangle is not cursed. Maybe it's not aliens or lost civilizations. Maybe it's simply a reminder that no matter how advanced we become, there are places on Earth where nature, time, and reality itself refuse to follow our rules. And the Bermuda Triangle will always remain one of them.